In this video, I want to show how to control your AI rig with ComfyUI remotely, directly from a browser, without installing any remote desktop software. Like many of my viewers, I have a laptop and I bought PC for AI stuff, mostly for ComfyUI, Flux, and SDXL, and to run other models. But most of the time, I prefer to work from my laptop. I do travel quite a bit. I'm not a developer. I tried most of the remote tools out there, like Windows Remote Desktop, which actually requires you to be on Windows Pro, TeamViewer, Chrome Remote, AnyDesk. They all stream in the screen, and that comes with a lag. And also usually requires PC to be unlocked and logged in, which I wanted that to run without the monitor ideally. Also, I didn't want to pay for anything. I didn't want to pay for $20, $30, $40 monthly subscription. And I found there is a free Tailscale with a free Mega for 20 gigs. It is very fast, so let's go step by step. I'm MountainDuck, a 3D concept designer with over 15 years in games and animation. Most recently, I worked on Marvel Rivals. Before, I worked on Penguins of Madagascar and more. Along the way, I've constantly had to learn new techniques to stay relevant. AI is one of the most powerful shifts I've seen. To help others get started without the usual trial and error, I've put together a set of ComfyUI tutorials and ready-to-use workflows that make the process clear, fast, and practical. The earlier you can dive into deep AI understanding, the better edge you can get as a professional. What is Tailscale and why we want to use it? It's very easy to install VPN that connects all your devices into a private network securely and automatically. Very easy. Each device gets a unique internal IP address and then talks to each other like they're on the same Wi-Fi, even if one is at home and your laptop in a different country. There is no need to set up forward ports, which can be complicated. No complicated server configuration, nothing like that. It is encrypted, it's free for personal use, and works on Windows, Mac, Linux, everywhere, even Android. To install Tailscale, go to Tailscale, sign in with Google account or GitHub account, then install it on your main PC and install it on your laptop. You need to log in both these devices using the same account, and you just need to check that your devices are online and each have a visible IP address. It means that they're connected and they can talk to each other. And now we have our own private remote network. We do need to tell ComfyUI to accept connections from other devices, because by default it only runs on localhost, meaning only your PC can see it. So let's change it. Let's go to your ComfyUI portable folder, find the run NVIDIA GPU.bat and open it with a text editor and replace the last line with this line. You can find it in the description. Just copy paste it and save the file. Then open ComfyUI as normal by running the NVIDIA GPU.bat. Now go to your laptop, open your browser and type in the URL that says your IP plus 8188. You should now see the ComfyUI interface. It is reading the local models that you have on your PC. However, the workflows, you need to copy them to your laptop or build them on your laptop, because with this particular setup, you don't have the access to workflows on your PC. I've also added the auto start on boot for ComfyUI, and I made sure that my PC doesn't go to sleep. If it doesn't go to sleep, we can always run this for forever. Or in my case, I will run it overnight. But there's one little caveat: when you generate an image using a ComfyUI in your browser, it outputs on your local folder on your PC. In this case, I'm using this particular node that allows me to pick the output directory, and I'm using a directory at Mega. Mega is one of those file sharing services like Dropbox or Box.com or iDrive. There are like a lot of them. I use Mega because they're giving the biggest free storage. They give 20 gigs for free, which is plenty to sync files. If you just sync in small like renders or videos, or just dropping models between two computers. I did purchase Mega storage for a few terabytes. However, I kind of regret about it because it's not as convenient for big file storage. Without going into the detail, I would switch to iDrive for big data storage. but I would still probably use Mega free plan to quickly sync my devices, because I also installed Mega on my phone and I can check the renders I'm getting if I'm drinking coffee in a cafe. I can see what is currently rendering. You can just create a folder inside a Mega sync folder that you call an output of your renders, and save everything that's been generated with ComfyUI into that folder. Another great thing about this folder, I can share it with any potential client or friend. I can send them the link and then they can browse through these images if they need to see what's been generated. And if you want full control over files, there is a little software also used, which I don't cover here, called MountainDuck. It allows me to access my PC. It is a paid software. It's $47. It's no subscription. It's just a one-time payment. After setup, I can go access the local drive on my PC. There's a bit of lag, to be honest, but I can move stuff around and I can copy and paste files. Like if I train the LoRa on a different server, I can bring it onto my PC. Or if I need to drag one model from another folder to another folder, I will use MountainDuck. If this video was helpful, give me a like, subscribe, and also I provide some more advanced, ready-to-use ComfyUI workflows for artists where you can learn more on my website. Go check it out. You might find it useful.